Here's how to draw some cute cherries. We'll start out kind of like a fat heart shape. It's almost like an ear, and we'll repeat this pattern over here. Feel free to pause the video at any time to draw at your own pace, or speed up if I'm too slow. Now, on the other side, we'll draw the same thing, kind of coming out like an angle. And the line's gonna loop behind the first drawing. So this drawing's in the front. Now, to connect these two cherries, we're gonna come up and it's gonna be like an upside down V. So we'll come up to here and do the same thing. That'll come down here. Now we're gonna repeat this pattern on the inside. So just inside, we're gonna continue up and come down. And then up here, we're gonna draw some leaves. And a line in the middle with some line detail coming up like this. 2 lines here. Then we'll draw 1 line coming out here. We'll draw another leaf on this side. Add a line in the middle. 1 line here, another line here, and another line here. So now let's come back down to the cherries, and we're gonna give them some smiles and happy eyes. Well, they're gonna have their eyes closed, like this, so their eyelashes are gonna be showing. So just an upside down U. And then a line about the same width of the distance in between these 2 eyes. This is the top of the mouth. And then a U shape. And then give them a tongue. So we'll do the same thing over here. Tilting at the opposite angle from this one. So this guy's tilting this way. The guy over here is tilting the other way. U shape for the eyes. And I like to make the eyes a little thicker, so I go over it again. Then a horizontal line underneath. A little mouth. A little tongue, fill in the space behind the tongue black. We're almost done. Last thing we'll do is give them a little shine mark. So, come back to this guy, and mimicking the same shape of his head right here, draw a line like this, then the exact same line below it, and then a straight line up here to connect, straight line down here to connect it. Do the same shape up here on the left of this guy's head, line there, line here, line there, line here. And let's see here, let's give a shadow. So we'll just draw a shadow like this. since the light's coming from this direction, we put the highlights up here, the shadow will be coming out there a little bit. And go ahead and fill this in. And that's how you draw some cartoon cherries. Thank you for subscribing. Please let me know in the comments below what I should draw next. I'm planning on drawing more food type stuff, so what's your favorite food? I'll try to draw it. Let me know. And thank you for watching. See ya.